We've seen BA4 and 5 strains make up the majority of cases here in the country. Pfizer and Moderna hope to release their new vaccine in the fall to get to better target strains. The Night Team's Patty Santos tells us those subvariants are impacting the San Antonio community right now.
And
Telly Dolge tested positive 4 days ago.
I had not remembered feeling that sick before, ever.
Atalia Lara is still recovering from her bout with COVID 2 weeks ago.
Yes, I have experienced a lot of shortness of breath, which is, I went to the doctor today for that because I was like, what is going on?
Both were vaccinated and boosted and had dodged the virus since the pandemic started, but both likely contracted the highly transmissible Omicron variants of BA4 or BA5 currently circulating our community,
which make up more than about 70% of all new COVID-19 infections.
Metro Health is closely monitoring the rising COVID infections. They say BA1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 Omicron variants are all out there, and you can get all of them back to back.
This will lead to more breakthrough infections. This will lead to more new cases that will be documented here in our communities.
The risk level today is high with 336 hospitalizations, 19 patients on ventilators, 58 in the ICU, and 1 new death. Baptist Health Dr. Dwayne Hospenthal says early studies show all these subvariants spread quickly, but there's good news.
It really looks like if you've gotten your first 1 or 2 shots followed by a booster at 6 to 12 months, that you're probably protected still against serious disease, even with these new variants.
It's still with us, and so really please be safe.
Both Dolge and Lara attribute their quick recovery to the vaccine, but say getting COVID was an awful experience.
I would not want to go through that ever again.
And COVID fatigue may be the reason why more people are not wearing their masks or keeping their social distance. But remember, doctors say vaccines lessen the severity of these illnesses. If you have not yet been vaccinated or you need a booster shot, the city is hosting a pop-up clinic here at the Frank Garrett Center this Friday from 10 to 1. We have all that information on ksat.com. Patty Santos, KSAT 12 News.